Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, there are two patterns are forming. See, first particular pattern is showing this particular trend and then a downfall. So remember that if the price started going below 2.99 or $3, there is a higher chances of further fall can be seen and it can go towards 2.8, and there is a probability that it can go below a level of 2.75. Okay, if we go on a longer view, this is the longer view you can say, and probability is high that if the price started going below $2.97, there is a further probability of further down, because if you look at this particular trend, chances of going further down can be seen towards next level of around 2.7, and if the price goes below that particular level, chance of going towards 2.61 is there, because that level is already weak. So we can see the price will go further down and it can touch a level of 2.56, and if the price falling below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, the bigger pattern is the smaller pattern is showing that if the price fall below 2.99, a further fall can be seen. Okay, a bigger pattern is showing further down, because the pattern, if it started going below 2.97, probability is high it can cross this particular level of 2.61 and can touch a level of $2.38. Okay, and because of that only we can see a further fall. But if you look at this bigger pattern, there is a chances that the U pattern has formed. Okay, so if the price keep moving above $3.6, a further upside can be seen on a bigger pattern. So understand, if the price sustain above 3.6, a further upside can be seen. And one important thing that you have to understand, there is at a level of 3.5, there is a gap which we have seen on the daily chart. Okay, so you will understand that if the price sustain above 3.6, probability of touching 3.5 we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, now the price is moving in this range, so you have to understand that if the price keep moving above this level and move towards a level of 3.919, it is already weak, so we know the price will rise above that level and it will go towards 3.26, and from there it will touch a level of $3.3, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen. Okay, as soon as the price started hitting above a level of $3.2, this particular pattern will support an upside, and chances of going further upside can be seen towards 3.35 to a level of 3.42, and from there a level of 3.57 to a level of 3.64. Okay, and then a further upside can be seen. Now if you look at the day-wise chart, which I'll be explaining you in the full details on my next videos on the day-wise chart, but I'll show you here that what is the probability of going further fall. See, this is also showing a downside trend if the price started going below a level of $3. This is what we can see, and then if the price started going below this level, a further fall can be seen towards 2.76, and if the price going below that level, a further fall can be seen. But if it started sustaining above this level, it can move towards 3.16. From there it can go above a level of 3.32, then there will be a probability of further upside. Okay, coming back again on the weekly chart, then you will understand that the price overall trends. Okay, see, there is a continuous downfall we can see from 2 days, so probability can be high this particular pattern is supporting a downside. So those who are thinking that if the price started moving below a level of 2.99, a further downfall can be seen. So we can expect if it started going below 2.99, because that is already weak level, so it can touch a level of 2.94, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 2.62. This 2.62 is already weak, 64 is already weak, so we can see the price will go further down and it can touch a level of 2.38, and from there a bounce back can be seen. But if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be there. But suppose if it started sustaining this level, it can touch a level of $3.2, and if the price moving out that particular level, chance of touching 3.34 is there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can rise above 3.5 to a level of $3.6. Then there will be a zone breakout we can see, so probability of sustaining above that level, we can see it can touch a level of 3.8 to a further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if